I used to think love was this big cosmic thing, like destiny, soulmates, stars aligning. Somewhere in the universe, two people were meant to collide. Um, Now I think love is way messier, way smaller, way more human. Love feels less like fate and more like two broken timelines accidentally syncing for a moment. Because think about it, love is basically your brain going, yep, this person. I choose this one to emotionally ruin me. And somehow we enjoy that. We willingly step into emotional gravity, letting another human become the center of our orbit. Love makes zero logical sense. You get attached to someone, then your mood, your motivation, your peace all start depending on another human who barely understands themselves. That's insane. And yet, here we are, tiny minds carrying infinite expectations. We say love is about connection, but half the time it's just fear of being alone, fear of silence, fear of sitting with your own thoughts for too long, because silence gets loud and loneliness forces you to actually look at yourself. And most of us don't like what we see there, so we call it love. We romanticize it. We dress it up with poetry, midnight confessions, and unsent messages we pretend not to care about. But underneath all that, it's attachment, it's vulnerability, it's control mixed with surrender, a paradox wrapped in a heartbeat. Love makes you soft, and humans hate being soft because soft things break and broken things remember. That's why love feels dangerous. Not because it hurts, but because it can. You hand someone the ability to dismantle your emotional architecture and just hope they don't. Wild strategy. And when it works, it feels unreal. You feel seen, like someone finally translated the chaos inside your head into a language you can breathe in. But when it fails, it doesn't just hurt, it rewires you. It teaches your heart new defense mechanisms. It teaches your mind new ways to disappear. That's why heartbreak ages people. It compresses years into moments. Love isn't gentle, it's intense, it's chaotic, it's beautiful, it's cruel. It is both the wound and the reason we keep bleeding. And the strangest part, even after all the pain, all the disappointment, all the emotional damage, we still want it. Because no matter how rational we pretend to be, humans are wired for connection. We are social creatures trapped in private universes. We don't want perfection. We want presence. We want to be understood without having to explain ourselves. We want someone to sit beside us in the silence and not try to fix it. So maybe love isn't about happiness. Maybe it's about meaning, about choosing someone and saying, yeah, I'll suffer a little if it means I don't suffer alone. And maybe that's what love really is. Two fragile consciousnesses deciding to face existence side by side.